If you're in the market for some heavy-duty shelves that come in a modular, easy to put together kit, I've got two of the best options on the market here. I've got the Craftsman heavy-duty shelves and then the CX 4-tier heavy-duty shelves over here. I'll show you the key differences between these two to help you make a better purchase decision. The first thing you'll notice is that the design of these two shelving units is very, very similar. Both of these shelving units are rated at 200 pounds per shelf. Both are nice and sturdy. You'll notice that you can join two shelving units together using these H brackets, same on these CX shelves, as well as on the Craftsman shelves over here. One of the key differences is going to be your size. On these CX shelves, we are at 48 inches wide, and on the Craftsman shelves over here, we're at 40 inches wide. So the Craftsman shelves are 8 inches narrower. However, whenever we look at the depth on these shelves, our CX shelves are 20 inches deep and the Craftsman shelves are 24 inches deep. So the Craftsman shelves are a little bit narrower in width, but you have more depth. CX shelves slightly wider, but not as deep. As far as the space between the shelves go, you'll notice that these shelves line up across almost exactly the same. So you'll have about the same space on both of these. Now you'll notice our CX shelves are a 4-tier shelf. Over here, the Craftsman, I have a 5-tier shelf. The Craftsman is also available in 4-tier, which would make them almost identical. The price on the 4-tier CX black and yellow and the CX Craftsman shelf is almost identical. If you go with the 5-tier, it's a little bit more, which you're paying for an extra shelf. Both of these are a great value. I think they're both heavy duty. I would maybe say that this Craftsman model is just a little bit more heavy duty because these uprights are a little bit beefier, a little bit stronger. And then there's not as much width on the shelf, so it does feel like the Craftsman version will hold a little bit more weight, but you don't have as much width in between here to put stuff as you do on these CX models over here. One of the other key advantages to purchasing shelves like this is that whenever you want to clean them up, you can take your stuff off, take them outside and power wash them and get them looking brand new again. If you build shelves out of wood and plywood, you really can't do that nearly as well. But these, super easy to clean if you want to spray them off. You can't go wrong with either one. They're built almost exactly the same. They both also have leveling feet on the bottom, so you can adjust the shelf to an uneven floor, which is extremely valuable as well. But I'd recommend either of these. I don't think you can go wrong either way.